Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authorize MyFord Mobile for EV charging management, detailed guide step by step clearly. First, ensure you have the latest version of the MyFord Mobile app installed on your smartphone. Open the app and log in using your Ford account credentials. If you don't have an account yet, you can create one directly in the app by following the on-screen prompts. Once logged in, navigate to the main dashboard of the app. Find the option labeled Settings or Account. Select Authorize EV Charging Management from the Settings menu. You will be prompted to connect your Ford electric vehicle to the app. Follow the instructions to link your vehicle's VIN by entering it manually or using the app's scan feature. After adding your vehicle, you will see an option to manage charging settings. Review the permissions that the app requires to manage your EV charging. Accept the terms and conditions to proceed with authorization. Next, you may need to log into your charging network account if prompted. This will enable integration with charging stations supported by your vehicle. Provide the necessary credentials for your charging network account, ensuring they are correct. Once logged in, you'll be redirected back to the MyFord Mobile app. Verify that your vehicle is now listed under Authorized Vehicles. You can check the charging status and modify charging preferences from this section. For advanced settings, explore options like scheduling charging times or setting charging limits. Keep in mind that authorization may take a few moments to finalize. Once everything is set, you'll receive a confirmation message indicating successful authorization. You are now ready to manage your EV charging using the MyFord Mobile app effectively. If you encounter any issues, refer to the help section in the app for additional support. Enjoy the convenience of managing your Ford electric vehicle's charging needs on the go. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.